If you have encountered the nightmarish error of flashing folder with a question mark in your MacBook, you are in the right place. Here, we will discuss and see different solutions to this problem. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss out any future videos. Flashing folder with a question mark occurs when there is a problem with the startup disk. The macOS cannot find the startup disk, so it shows a question mark on a flashing folder. The reasons for this happening may be 1. Some faulty peripheral devices corrupt your Mac. 2. The cable connecting the driver and the motherboard is loose or damaged. 3. The system files for Mac startup and boot are corrupt. 4. The startup disk fails. We will now look into the solutions to solve the flashing folder problem. 1. Check your peripherals. 2. Reboot in recovery mode and use disk utility to repair your disk. 3. Check the cable from your motherboard to SSD. 4. Make sure that the boot order is correct. 5. Reinstall the macOS. If you encounter this error but are able to log in to your MacBook, back up your data to an external drive as this error may pose a threat to your data. If you are unable to log in, then download Tenorshare 4DDIG for Mac on another MacBook and install it. Launch Tenorshare 4DDIG and get your USB drive connected to your Mac. Select Recover from Crashed System and then click Scan to proceed. In the bootable drive option, choose the USB drive you just inserted and click on Start. It will ask to format the drive. Click Yes. Wait as the firmware is downloaded and installed in the USB drive. On completion, remove the USB drive and install it in the affected MacBook. Start your Mac. When your Mac is in a black screen, press and hold the Option key. Release the Option key until you see the bootable drive. Select 4DDIG for Mac data recovery to boot. 4DDIG will be launched automatically and you can now select a location to start recovering data. Simply tick off your desired files, click on Recover and save it to your external hard drive. That's it. Fix 1. Check your peripherals. The flashing folder with question mark may have started occurring after you attached any new device to your MacBook. To fix this, simply remove all extra devices and see if you run into the same problem again. Fix 2. Reboot in recovery mode and use disk utility to repair your disk. Restart your Mac and press Command+R key till you see the Apple logo. You will get a password prompt. Enter your password and now you will enter the macOS recovery mode. Open Disk Utility and select View, then select Show All Devices from the menu bar. You can now see all the available disks from the sidebar. The first disk is your startup disk. Select it and then select First Aid option to repair it. Restart your Mac to see if the problem has been fixed. Fix 3. Check the cable from your motherboard to SSD. For this step, a professional repairer is recommended. Take your MacBook to a professional service center. They will remove the back cover and check if the SSD cable or connectors are faulty and replace them. Fix 4. Make sure that the boot order is correct. If your MacBook starts after a while displaying the flashing folder with question mark. When you log in, go to Apple icon and then System Preferences. Select the correct startup disk and restart your MacBook to see if problem has been fixed. Fix 5. Reinstall the macOS. If you have a copy of your macOS installation disk, insert it and perform reinstallation of your macOS. If done rightly, all your data will be safe. However, prudent practice would be to back up data before installing new OS using Tenorshare 4DDIG. Hopefully, you can fix the flashing folder with a question mark by following these steps. Always remember to secure your data using Tenorshare 4DDIG. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.